Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make glitter sheets from just glitter and Mod Podge. Use any of the Mod Podge. I'm using this one because this is the one I've got today. I don't have any of the original Orange Label Mod Podge. Now you need plastic. So you just put your plastic down and then get your Mod Podge and pour some Mod Podge onto your plastic. Don't make it too thick. Here's the end of my plastic. Now all you have to do is just smooth your Mod Podge. So what you're going to do is once you've got your thin layer of Mod Podge on, we're only going to do 2 layers. Now this is the fun part. Now get your glitter and just sprinkle your glitter over the top of your Mod Podge layer. So I'm going to pop that back in there. So just pop it back into your tub. Don't worry about it wriggling around and things. Just give it a little shake. And then this is what you've got. You've just got your plastic cupboard. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set it aside to dry. Once it dries, we'll put another coating over the top of this. And then we're going to seal it with hairspray. Here's the coating that's dry. This is our first coat of the glitter sheet that I'm showing you how to make. We're going to dribble some of our Mod Podge over the top of it. You can use any Mod Podge. I'm just using this one because this is the only one I have today. So just put a sploshing of your Mod Podge on, and then again like we did the first time, so there we go, we've got a nice smooth even coat. It's not too thick, because if it's too thick your dies won't cut through it. So once again, just scatter your glitter over the top of this. Now just give it a little shake around just to shake the excess off. So I'm just going to put my sheet somewhere flat to dry for a good few hours. Now this is a sheet. Don't worry about the little wrinkles that are here. They'll come out once we take it off the plastic. As you can see, it's starting to come off really easy anyway. And it will smooth out, so don't worry about that. Now we need to put a very thin coat over the top of this. I've just got myself some cheap hairspray. So it's just hairspray, and that'll seal the glitter in. Now once you put your coating of hairspray on, you need to put it somewhere to dry. Now don't worry, like I said, don't worry about these wrinkles. They will come out. So don't worry about those. We sprayed it with hairspray to seal in the glitter. There is only 2 layers here. So what you have to do next is you have to carefully peel it off your plastic. You can keep your plastic and reuse it. Once we cut out our pieces that we need, I'm going to decorate this glass with it. So it's just another way to make some nice pretty glasses. I'm going to use this die from the Couture Creations. This is called the Adoring Collection. It's actually a pop-up die, but you can cut the side of it to make it come out. So I'm going to try this on our glitter sheet. Now what you get with these again is you get a plain die and then you get your pattern piece. So to get the pattern heart you need to use both. I'm going to cut this piece out now because I want that to go around the glass. So I'm going to put my lace heart here and then I'm going to put this, a part of this around the back. Now it's time to decorate the glass that we have. Now here's the heart that we made from the glitter sheet and here's the other little piece. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to measure the heart up with this little piece that's notched out on this glass because I want to glue it there. Now I'm going to sit it on this just to stop it from moving around so much. Pick it up. Then I'm just going to very carefully put it where I want it. Well, make sure you've got your glitter side up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip around the shape of the heart underneath here just to make this fit. So I'd like to take the time to thank everyone for watching my tutorials. I have been absolutely amazed at the great response that I've had, and that's all thanks to the people who have watched my tutorials and who take the time to subscribe as well. I do hope this tutorial has helped someone or given people some ideas on decorating glittered glasses and bottles or anything that's glass. This stuff can be used on it. So thank you all for watching. I do hope you join me for my next tutorial. Please leave a comment. I'm sure there are people out there who will have some questions about these glittered sheets, so I will do the best I can to answer them. So I'll see you all again soon for my next tutorial. Goodbye.